So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can make money from Instagram with less number of followers or even with low followers. You can see that I only have 393 followers, and let me tell you that how I make money from my account. Tap on this plus button available at the top left corner of your screen and you can choose any niche to post videos. You just need to have some videos in your gallery. They can literally belong to any niche. For example, this is a video of some cars available in my gallery. I just have to go to the reel section, select that video and tap on this next button. And after that, you have to tap on this audio button available, which is the third option here. Next, you have to tap on this trending button, and here you will find all the trending audios which are currently trending on Instagram. You have to just apply any trending audio on this reel. You can literally select any audio that you like. And after applying that audio, you have to tap on this next button and simply share this reel to your feed. Just keep in mind that your account should be public before doing that, because you cannot make money from a private Instagram account. Now let me share with you the trick. When you post daily reels with trending audios and you have to post 50 to 70 reels with trending audios, what will happen is your reels will start displaying in this explore page. And when more of your reels start displaying here, this will lead to more views. And when you post 50 to 70 reels, I guarantee you that one or two of those reels will definitely cross million views. So more views will lead to more followers, and more followers will lead to more sponsorships. You will start getting traction on your Instagram account and you will start getting sponsors, and using those sponsors you can easily make money, because this is the easiest way to make money from Instagram, which every influencer is doing, just by using trending audios in their reels and posting them consistently. So this is the easiest way to make money from Instagram with no followers. Thank you so much.